Hi, students and parents. It's Thursday. Let's do this. Today for math, we are going to complete page 3 of the Bunny Time Sheet. And then when you have all 3 pages done, I would love for you to take a picture of each one and submit it on your Seesaw journal. I will have a place, an assignment that pops up that says submit bunny pages here. And then for ELA, we're going to complete our pink change worksheet, which is our foundations word of the day that you've been doing, and I would love if you could take a photo of that and submit it to your Seesaw journal as well. Parents, if you do not have a device that can take a picture easily and upload it, such as an iPad or a MacBook with a built-in camera, then please just take a picture of it with your phone and you can send it to me through Facebook or through Seesaw, ClassTag, whatever is easiest for you. Please do not stress about uploading it. I know that Seesaw is not working for a lot of you, and that's okay. We're trying to figure that out for you, and thank you for your patience with that. Also, for English and language arts, I would love for you to practice reading aloud your Read Naturally story, which is what you started yesterday if you're going along with the recommended schedule. So this would be day 2. So I would like the adult or someone who is a fluent reader to read it out loud to you, then have the student read, practice that a couple of times. And then, if you're finished early, you can do some extra math, some Lexia minutes, and most importantly, please make time to play and have fun. Enjoy this beautiful day.